Now, members of phylum Porifera. So, you know, poriferans are parazoans. They exhibit a cell aggregate plan. There are cells in the body which do not form tissue. Now, when we talk about this phylum Porifera, the classification of phylum Porifera, it is divided into three major classes. On what basis is phylum Porifera divided or classified? Now, it is classified based on the type of endoskeleton that they possess. You all recall that in phylum Porifera, the endoskeleton is either made up of needle-like structures or rod-like structures which are called spicules, or it may be made up of protein threads which are referred to as the spongin fibers, isn't it? So the first class in phylum Porifera is class Calcarea. Now class Calcarea or class Calcarea includes all the sponges which have calcium carbonate spicules as their endoskeleton. So remember, they possess spicules which are endoskeletal structures which are made up of calcium carbonate. Now most of these calcareans they may be fresh, mostly they are marine water. They are found in shallow waters mostly, not in deeper waters. They have a vase-like or a cone shaped body, and the examples for calcarea include cycon and leucosolemia. Okay, so remember that class calcarea includes those organisms whose endoskeleton is composed of calcium carbonate spicule. The second class in phylum Porifera is called Hexactinellida. Now, how is it different from Calcarea? In Hexactinellida, they have siliceous spicules or spicules which are made up of silica. So, the endoskeleton is composed of siliceous spicules. Now, Hexactinellidans are exclusively marine. You will not find freshwater forms. They are mostly solitary. They are found living alone. Even Calcareans may be solitary or colonial, but Hexactinellidans are mostly solitary. They are mostly found in the deeper seas and oceans, not in the shallow waters. Example include Hyalonema. Hyalonema has a common name of glass rope sponge. And Euplectella is usually offered as a wedding gift in Japan. It is called the Venus flower basket. Okay, so remember the scientific name as well as the common name. Hyalonema is glass rope sponge and Euplectella is the Venus flower basket. The third major class is referred to as the Demospongia. In Demospongia also you may find siliceous spicules, but mostly the endoskeleton is made up of protein fibers which are referred to as the spongin fibers. So these demospongians have a very compact body and brightly colored body. They are mostly colonial. They are found in all depths of the seas. It may be shallow waters, it may be deeper waters. So they are found in all depths, and like I said, they are compact in their body and they are brightly colored. They are mostly colonial forms. You will hardly come across solitary forms in demospongia. The best example for demospongia is the freshwater sponge. There are very few sponges which are freshwater in nature. Spongilla is one of them. So demospongians may be freshwater or they may be marine. And then you have a boring sponge. Now what does this mean, boring? Not literally boring, it means it bores a hole into the shells of oysters. So boring sponge can be or can prove extremely detrimental to the pearl industry because it bores a hole in the oyster shells and killing the shells, and therefore it is referred to as the boring sponge. Okay, and one more example you can remember for demospongia, euspongia. Now why I am mentioning about euspongia is because it was used as a bath sponge. So the common name of euspongia is the bath sponge. Okay, so three major classes of phylum Porifera are Calcarea, Hexactinellida and Demospongia.